What's up YouTube, what's up y'all? My name is Bright Jones and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today I'm taking you guys through why Pinterest is better and my discovery about Pinterest, what I've known about Pinterest. Yes, so today is going to be a quick video and I'm pretty sure you're going to like this. Yes, so without further talks, let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, we're going to learn the things that you can achieve or the things that you can get on Pinterest that are going to help your design career or your career as a designer. I don't know how you want to put it. Yes, so first things first, let's talk about backgrounds, right? As a graphic designer, you need backgrounds, you need images that you can incorporate into your designs and everything. And one of the things Pinterest can help you is to get backgrounds. So yes, we have search pane here. So we're going to search for background and enter. And yes, when you look at the search images right here, it's a whole lot of images here, and you can use all of these images for your dope works, your backgrounds, your designs, your flyers. Like, you can use any of these images here. And yes, this is one of the main reasons why you need Pinterest. Yes, aside going to Google and getting all the images there, you can also get the images here on Pinterest. And mostly the images here on Pinterest are very nice, and I mean, it really helps with your design journey. Yes, any flyer you want to do at all, you just type background here. You see, we have this kind of cartoonish background, we have this kind of, I mean, it's a whole lot. So yes, number one is background. Let's move on to number two. So number two is inspiration, right? So when I say inspiration, you go to your home feed and you see there's a whole lot of designs here. And I mean, how should I put it? You can just look at on someone's design, take a key note or like a key factor from the design, then you just use it for your own design. It's not necessarily taking the whole idea from the person's design, but you can just take something, at least something, just one thing from the person's design, and you can use it for whatever you want to. So let me just select one design. So we have Victoria Samuel. I don't know, I think it's a save the date kind of thing. You look at this design right here and you're like, oh wow, the font is very nice. How can I get the same font? Or like, how can I get something similar? You can just look on it, go search on Google like sci-fi font or whatever, and you're good to go. Or you can even look at the pattern at the background here. You're like, oh, this pattern is nice. You go search for it, then you use the same thing, but not necessarily using the whole design the person I mean did or whatever. I don't know how to put it, but then just one thing from the design and you're good to go. So basically, let's say I have my own design here, and this is the design that I'm talking about. You can just look at my design and be like, wow, the arrangement is very nice, let me use the same arrangement. But then using the same arrangement doesn't mean you're going to, I mean, copy everything, background green, text yellow, everything. No, you just have to look at the work, pick something out of it, and you're good to go. So yes, that is number two as inspiration. And number three, we have showcase. And showcase is basically you showcasing your artwork, or you posting your artworks for people to see that, yeah, this is what you can also do. So this is my catalog, or this is my page here on Pinterest, and I post all my works. Every work I do, I mean, not all of them, but then every work I do that I post on my Instagram, I also post here on Pinterest. Yes, so I showcase my work to let other graphic designers also pick inspiration from them, or they can just look at the work and I mean be like, oh wow, this font is nice, let me go and look for it. Oh wow, this is that. Yes, so that is one thing I do. I showcase all my works here, and I mean, yes, mostly I get people, I mean, coming to me and they're like, oh wow, this design is very nice, I mean, how did you do this, how did you do that? Yes, so number three is showcasing, and number four is engagement. How you can get engagement through your Pinterest page, right? So I've gotten about like 5, 6, 7 or 8 clients reaching to me from Pinterest, being like, oh, I saw your page on Pinterest, and yeah, I want you to design something for me, blah blah blah. And so hold on, yes, so engagement basically is, I mean, posting your thing somewhere, someone seeing it, and a person reaching out to you, the person is engaging the work that you posted. So yes, I mean, people reach out to me all the time, and yes. So for this particular work, I had 11.7k impressions, and yes, this particular work here, I mean, really got me some clients, and I mean, yeah, I made some cash too. So yes, Pinterest can get you like the engagement that you want for yourself as a graphic designer. Yes. So let's move on. The next thing is wallpapers. So yes, wallpapers, I mean, as a graphic designer, or as a young guy, or as, I mean, a regular human being, you need wallpapers for your phone, your PC, or whatever. So what you have to do is just, I mean, click on the search button and just type in wallpapers, right? And just enter, and you're going to have a lot of wallpapers here, like varieties. It's a whole lot. You can even be specific. You can even type in Iron Man wallpapers and Iron Man wallpapers and enter, and you get a whole lot. Look at this. Look at this. A whole lot of Iron Man wallpapers. You can change Iron Man to Thor, and you're going to have a whole lot of Thor wallpapers, right? So Pinterest doesn't only, I mean, help give you engagement or allows you to showcase your work. You can also get wallpapers for your phone or your PC or whatever. It's a whole lot. So yes, number 5 is wallpapers. Number 6 is elements. And elements, I'm talking about like let's say a paper tear effect, right? The paper tear effect is mostly used. Yes, this effect, this is the effect I'm talking about, and you can get this, use it for your design. I mean, talk about elements. You even have lens flare here, right? Lens flare, and lens flare is very dope. And there's this lens flare here, this one in particular. You can just click on the 3 dots here and click on download image, right? So it's going to download, and you can use it for whatever you want to use. I mean, so now it's downloaded down here. I have an image here that I just opened for this lens flare thing. So I'm going to bring the lens flare in and show you guys real quick how you can use the lens flare. So whilst it's here, just scale it up and set the blend mode to screen, and you're good to go. It's as simple as anything. So yes, you can use you can search for anything, any elements that you want at all, and use it for your design. And the last thing that we have here is typography, right? So as a graphic designer, you need to learn a bit of typography, how to get like nice typos. You see, it says just don't quit, but when you look at it, it says just do it, right? And it says living room live. I mean, it's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. You need to come here, go through, get some small ideas, or get some top notch typographies for your own works, and I mean, you're good to go. So yes, Pinterest does not only gives you backgrounds, inspirations, lets you showcase your works, engagement, wallpapers, and elements. You can also get typographies for your designs, and not just any raw typography. I mean, very dope, nice typography, as you are seeing here, very nice ones. And yes, you can also, I mean, help you out in all your works. So guys, that is all for the video. Make sure to create a Pinterest account and start using Pinterest as you should, and also do make sure to follow me, because right now I'm at 815 followers, and yes, I really want to get there. I have 145.1k monthly views. That's very dope. That's very dope. So yeah guys, that is it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.